In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Firefox browser data the easy way, including passwords, bookmarks, and your full browser profile. This is super useful if you're switching computers, creating a backup, or just want to keep your Firefox information safe before making any changes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save everything properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's start with exporting your saved passwords. First, open Firefox and go to the application menu by clicking the three-line menu in the top corner. From there, select Passwords. This takes you into Firefox's built-in password manager, where all your saved logins are stored. Once you're in the password section, look for the three dots menu. Click that, and then choose Export Passwords. Firefox may show a warning because this file contains sensitive information, so make sure you're in a private and secure place before continuing. When you're ready, click Continue with Export. Next, choose the location where you want to save the file. This could be your desktop, downloads folder, or a secure external drive. After selecting the location, click Save. That exports your Firefox passwords into a file you can keep as a backup or move to another device. Now let's move on to bookmarks. Bookmarks are your saved websites, and exporting them is a great way to keep your favorite links organized and protected. To do this, click the application menu again, then go to Bookmarks, and at the bottom of the list, click Manage Bookmarks. This opens the library window. Inside that window, look for Import and Backup at the top. Click it, and then select Export Bookmarks to HTML. Firefox will ask where you want to save the file. Choose a destination folder that you can easily find later, then click Save. This creates an HTML file of all your bookmarks, which can be imported into Firefox or another browser later if needed. If you want to back up everything in Firefox, including your history, extensions, saved preferences, and more, then the best method is to copy your entire Firefox profile folder. This is the most complete backup option because it preserves almost everything about your browser setup. To find it, open the application menu, go to Help, and then click More TrueBolting Information. On that page, look for the row labeled Profile Folder. Click Open Folder. A file window will open showing your active Firefox profile files. At this point, click the up arrow to go back one folder level. Then close Firefox completely before copying anything. This is very important because Firefox needs to be fully closed while the profile is being backed up. Once Firefox is shut down, locate the active profile folder, which usually ends with something like default release. Copy that entire folder and paste it into a secure location, such as an external hard drive, USB drive, or cloud-synced backup folder. And that's it. You now know how to export Firefox passwords, save your bookmarks, and back up your full Firefox profile. This gives you multiple ways to protect your browsing data, depending on whether you want just your logins and links or a complete browser backup. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.